This is a very interesting time for the industry. We have never seen a time of greater opportunity and greater challenges for the tech industry. On one hand, you have technology advancing at breakneck speed to pretty much disrupt every sector that is out there. And on the other hand lies the tremendous challenge of reinventing the business, creating the talent to be relevant in the future. And I think as Nasscom, our goal is to become that catalyst, the most effective catalyst, if I may call it, for the industry and for the country to leverage these changes that we are seeing around us, to become the biggest value creator for the world at large. On one hand, how do we work with the industry to drive the development of talent, to accelerate innovation, to develop the ecosystems that are needed for co-creation and for global innovation? And on the other hand, how do we work with the government, with stakeholders, to ensure that India leverages these opportunities to the fullest, to become the talent hub for innovation globally, and also adapt and use these advancements in technologies to get the maximum out of it across critical segments like manufacturing, agriculture, finance, healthcare, and governance. And that's going to be a huge focus for Nasscom. What do we have to do to enable both of these to happen and in the most optimal way possible? The exchange of ideas and talent, the availability of talent wherever it exists, in whichever part of the world, is the biggest success imperative for innovation. The future leaders of the world will be the ones that have figured out how to become the most effective magnets for talent. It's a fact. We look back at history and you will see that any country that has closed its doors to ideas, to exchanges, and to talent coming in has not been able to successfully innovate. Countries like US that has in the past welcomed talent was a nation of, used to be the nation of immigrants. So they have been tremendously successful in becoming the innovation leaders. Now, if the political rhetoric continues and countries create policies which will slow down or curb the intake of the best talent that's available, then maybe the future Satya Nadellas, Sundar Pichais are not going to be in those countries. I'm hoping they might be in India. So this is really about putting the facts on the table. There's a lot of myth around, the whole H1B visa, all aspects of it, the tremendous amount of myths that have got created. I think this is about putting the facts on the table. These visas are given to people who are highly skilled. When a country brings in these highly skilled workers, they act as job creators. They act as the creators of new businesses, new opportunities, new ecosystems. The companies, especially the Indian IT companies, are some of the biggest value creators in US, both in terms of jobs as well as skills and development. This can be a tremendously win-win beneficial partnership to both countries. We just have to put the facts before rhetoric to make that happen.